Hey, comment nous y? C'est professeur anglais nous, Laurent. Nous portons une belle vidéo aujourd'hui pour vous. Dans la vidéo aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre ensemble quelques verbes qui ont rapport avec manger. Ok? So, quelques verbes qui ont rapport avec manger. Assurément qu'on fait manger. Eh bien, verbes, c'est vraiment important. On apprend ensemble. Ok? So, we're going to learn some cooking verbs. Ok? Some cooking verbs means quelques verbes qui ont rapport avec manger. Okay, so the first verb that we are going to learn today is fry. Can you repeat that? Fry. Fry means frire. Okay, so when you want to talk about something that you like to fry, you say fry. For example, I always fry eggs for breakfast. I always fry eggs for breakfast. I always fry eggs for breakfast means moi toujours frise œufs pour déjeuner. Okay? So we have this word breakfast. Breakfast means déjeuner. Okay? What can I say déjeuner? I say breakfast. I always fry eggs for breakfast. Moi toujours frise œufs pour déjeuner. Okay? So we can use this verb fry. And the second verb that we are going to learn today is boil. Can you repeat that? Boil. Boil means bouillir. Okay? So what can I say bouillir? I say boil. For example, okay, so I say she is boiling the potatoes. Okay, she is boiling the potatoes. She's boiling the potatoes means manger demoiselle là la bouillie pomme de terre yo. Comment on dit pomme de terre en anglais? We say potatoes. Can you repeat that? Potatoes. Okay, potatoes means pomme de terre. She is boiling the potatoes. La bouillie pomme de terre. Okay, so let's move to the next verb. Slice. I want you to repeat. Slice. Okay, slice means trancher. Okay, how can I say trancher? I say slice. For example, okay, so we have this example. I am slicing the bread. Okay, let's repeat this sentence together. I am slicing the bread. I'm slicing the bread means map tranché pain. Okay? Action ap fait. I'm slicing the bread. Map tranché pain. Je tranche le pain. Okay? Je tranche le pain. I am slicing the bread. So we have this word bread. Bread means pain. Okay? How can I say pain? I say bread. And let's move to the next verb, guys. It's very important to learn cooking verbs if you are cooking, okay? So we have peel. Can you repeat that? Peel. Peel means éplucher, okay? So éplucher en créole qui signifie l'on retire peau sur un bagay. Ça nous les caler, okay? For example, okay? So let's take this example. She is peeling the oranges. One more time. She is peeling the oranges. So we have this word oranges. Oranges means orange. Orange. If we are talking about one, if we are talking about two, we say oranges. Okay? For example, she is peeling the oranges means elle est en train d'éplucher les oranges. Ou elle épluche les oranges. Li retire peau sous orange, okay? Action à fait. La retire peau sous orange, I say she is peeling the oranges, okay? Let's go for the next one. Chop. I want you to repeat. Chop, okay? Chop means hacher. En français, racher en créole, okay? For example, si m'a dit moi ap racher zonyon yo. Kon ka ap di sa? M'a rache zonyon yo. Elle m'a dit, okay, I say, I am chopping the onions. Can you repeat that? I am chopping the onions. M'a raché zonyon, okay? We have this word, onions. Onions means zonyon, okay? So it might be another thing. I am chopping the mushrooms, okay? We have this word, mushrooms. Okay? Mushrooms means champignon, okay? Je suis en train d'hacher les champignons. I am chopping the mushrooms. M'a raché jonjon. If I am cooking rice and beans and I have to put some mushrooms in it, I can use this sentence. I am chopping the mushrooms. M'a raché champignon yo ou bien m'a raché jonjon yo. Ça nous est jonjon en créole, okay? We have this word mushrooms, okay? And the next verb is squeeze. Can you repeat after me? Squeeze. Squeeze means presser. En français, priger en créole. Okay? For example, if you are doing lemon juice, so you have to squeeze the lemon. Let's take this example together, guys. Okay? Allez, vas-y ça. And I say, I am, or I can say I am if I'm doing it, or I can use I. Let's say I am instead, guys. Okay, let's repeat together. I am squeezing the lemons. One more time. I am squeezing the lemons. I am squeezing the lemons means ma prige citron yo. Comment on dit citron? I say lemons. Lemon, if it is one, if it is two, we have to put on s. We say lemons. Okay? So it might be I am squeezing the lemons, or we can say lime as well, guys. Lime and lemon means the same thing. Lime avec lemon, yo vle di même bagay. Mais l'aime parler de lemon, c'est l'aime gen citron qui rouge. Mais l'aime parler de citron vert, I say lime. Can you repeat it? Lime. Lime, citron vert. Lemon, citron mûr. Okay? Alright, thank you so much. Let's move on to this, okay? So the next verb that we're gonna learn today is great. It's not great, it is great. Okay? Great means râper en français, mais c'est grager en créole. Okay? For example, okay, I say she is grating cheese on pizza. Can you repeat it after me? She is grating cheese on pizza. Okay? So, ça veut dire la grager fromage pour le mettre dans pizza. Okay? She's grating cheese on pizza. Okay, we say cheese. I know you know this word. Go to my previous video, okay, where we talked about food and drinks. Cheese, c'est fromage, and pizza, pizza. Okay, so she is grating cheese on pizza. La grager fromage pour le mettre dans pizza. Okay, so we have this word, guys. Let's learn this word together. Greater. Let's say that one more time. Greater. Greater means grage. Quand on capable de dire grage en anglais, on dit greater. Okay? Greater. So to grate, you use a grater. Okay? Pour grager, ou utiliser un grage. Okay? If you want to grate, so you have to use a grater. Okay? I hope you understand. Very easy. Let's move on, guys. And we have bake. Can you repeat it? Bake. Bake means cuire au four. So we have a difference between grate and cook. So we use cook, guys, when we are doing something to eat, okay? When we put something on fire, but you cook it. So now bake means cuite, mais c'est au four, okay? So when you use an oven, okay? Oven c'est four. Comment on peut dire four en anglais? We say, let me put it here, oven. Oven means four. So if we use an oven, we bake. So if we use a stove, stove. I want you to repeat. Stove. Stove means réchaud. Comment on dit réchaud? I say stove. What does that mean, oven? Four. So when we use an oven, we bake, but when we use a stove, we cook. Hope you understand. Very, very easy, guys. All right. Okay. So let's take this example. All right. So we have this sentence. She bakes a cake for my birthday. She bakes a cake for my birthday. Let's make the linked sound. We say she bakes a cake for my birthday. Demoiselle là li enfourné. Nous ka di cuire au four ou bien enfourné. OK? Demoiselle là li enfourné yon gâteau pour anniversaire. Comment on peut dire ça? Li cuit yon gâteau pour anniversaire. Li enfourné un gâteau pour anniversaire. I say she bakes a cake for my birthday. So we have this word cake. Can you repeat it after me? Cake. Cake means gâteau. Okay? How can I say gâteau? I say cake. I like cake. Moi j'aime gâteau. All right. And the next verb that we're going to learn is cut. I want you to repeat. Cut. Cut means couper. Okay? For example, the oranges. I am cutting the oranges. Ma couper les oranges. Okay? It might be something else. Okay? I am cutting the oranges. Ma couper les oranges. Okay? I am cutting the oranges. It might be something else. Okay? Okay? Je coupe les oranges. Avant. Okay, before squeezing the oranges, I am cutting them. Avant moi prise les oranges, qui ça me fait moi couper yo. Cut the oranges before squeezing. Comment on dit couper les oranges avant prise yo? I say cut. We use this verb cut the oranges before squeezing. Very easy to make sentences. All right. So we have the next verb. Grill. I want you to repeat. Grill. Grill means griller. Ça nous est un bon créole boucané. Comment on peut dire boucané ou bien griller? I say grill. Okay? Boucané poisson. Comment on peut dire ça? Let's repeat it again. I am grilling fish. Ma boucané poisson. I am grilling fish. Ma boucané saucisse. Okay? How can I say that in English? Okay? Let's repeat it. Sausages. Sausages. Sausages means saucisse. Como on dit saucisse? I say sausages. Ma boucané saucisse. I am grilling sausages. We have this word sausages. Ma boucané poisson. I am grilling fish. Ma boucané viande. I am grilling meat. Okay? But when I say meat, it might be chicken, it might be pork, it might be beef. Tout ça c'est qualité viande. Okay? Alright guys, so let's move to the next one. Melt. Melt. Melt means fond. Quand on dit fondre, melt. Pour une fondre, il faut gagner chaleur. Avec on y a un par exemple ensemble. Okay. All right. I say melt the cheese in a frying pan. Let's repeat it again. Melt the cheese in a frying pan. Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? Mais fondre fromage là dans une casserole que nous utilisons pour nous frire. OK? C'est ça nous les casserole. Pan means casserole. OK? On casserole ou bien on poêlon que nous utilisons pour nous frire. Melt the cheese in a frying pan. Fond fromage là dans une casserole ou bien dans un poêlon. Okay? So, it might be butter. I can say melt the butter. Okay? Melt the butter in a frying pan. Okay? Or melt the butter before adding the other ingredients. Fond beurre avant ajouter l'autre ingrédient. Comment on peut dire ça en anglais? I say melt the butter before adding the other ingredients. Okay? Very easy. And we have the last verb for the second part of this video, which is pour. Can you repeat it? Pour. Pour means vider, verser. So in the last video, we make the difference between add and pour. Okay? When you add ou ajouter, when you pour, you ou vider. Okay? Ou verser. Okay? For example, I say pour water into the pot. Pour water into the pot. For example, if you put a pot, or it might be a pan on fire, okay, on the stove, and you say pour water, okay, pour water, veut dire vider de l'eau. Comment on va dire vider de l'eau? Pour water into the pot. Vider de l'eau dans chaudière. Comment on va dire vider de l'eau dans chaudière? Pour water into the pot. Alright guys, thank you so much for your patience. Merci en pile pour patience. Pas oublier meilleure façon capable supporter nous c'est les que vous abonner avec channel là. Ça va encourager nous toujours poster vidéo ou partager ou like et surtout commenter. Commenter est vraiment important pour capable dire nous ce penser. OK? C'était deuxième partie vidéo. N'après pour troisième partie vidéo. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now. Bon.